One of the saddest consequences of sin is how it damages our relationship with God. As you read the Bible, it becomes pretty clear that there's no way for us to fix this relationship on our own. We need help, and thankfully, God provides that help in Jesus. Ever since the fall of the first man and woman in the Garden of Eden, God and human beings have been estranged. Sin resulted not only in an estranged relationship with God, but also in enmity, that is, hostility or active opposition between God and human beings. Sin is an infinite offense against an infinite God, and as in love with sin as we are more than happy to compound our offenses, acting as enemies of God. Thankfully for us, God loves his enemies and sent Christ to be the reconciler between us and God. Through Christ's death, God provides the means whereby that broken relationship is renewed and restored. And now everyone who is reconciled to God through faith in Jesus is called to a ministry of reconciliation. We're called to go into all the world, sharing the good news of God's reconciling the world to himself through Christ and inviting everyone that we come in contact with to be reconciled to God.